Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I got this torta pizza cutter. So check this thing out. I saw this, one of my friends had posted like some meme with one of these things, and I'm like, holy crap, this thing is awesome because I like to bike ride and stuff. So I'm gonna take a look at it here. We'll see what it is here. This is what it looks like there and there. And now let's open this thing up and see how it looks. Thankfully I have some scissors nearby because it's got one of those packages that are just probably impossible to open. I mean, it's more of a gag kind of gift, I guess. I don't know. Not really a pizza cutter. It doesn't seem super ergonomic or anything, but let's check it out and see what that is like. So here we go. Let me see. Nothing on the card. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with a little stand. So let me find something here. See, but it's got a little stand here, and then you put the little bike in it, so it's there, so that holds it up. So let's see how it looks. So the stand's kind of cool, so it kind of holds it up there, and I'm just gonna put this out on the counter. But actually, looking at it, it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a total piece of junk, but I have no idea how you're gonna use it because it's got a cutter here on the front wheel. You see, it's got the sharp little wheel here, and it's got a sharp wheel on the back. So not sure exactly how you would hold it to cut without slicing your hand open. I guess you could just ride it across, but I'm gonna say this isn't the most super efficient kind of pizza cutter in the world. I'm never gonna use it to really cut a pizza. I just don't see how I'm gonna do it without slicing my hand open. But it looks super cool, so I like this, and I'm just gonna put it up, and when I make pizzas, I'll just leave it next to it or whatever. I'll put it out in my kitchen. I just have lots of places to put things around my house here because it's a new house. So, and I like to bike ride, so it's kind of cool. So if you know somebody who likes to bike ride and who likes pizza, who doesn't, this is kind of a cool little thing to get. And it was pretty inexpensive and stuff, and just a fun little gadget. So I like it. So it's the torta pizza cutter. So get one of those. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some more things to review soon. Thanks, bye.